We pay our premiums month after month with the promise of protection when we need it most. But what happens when we file a legitimate claim? Too often, we are met with a denial, leaving us feeling betrayed and abandoned. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the insurance industry and exposing the tactics they use to deny legitimate claims and get away with it. There are real people facing real problems. They've paid their dues, played by the rules, and yet, when they turn to their insurance companies for help, they're often left out in the cold. The first weapon in the insurance company's arsenal is the policy itself. Buried within pages of dense legal jargon are loopholes, exclusions, and vague clauses designed to trip you up. They know most people don't read the fine print, and they exploit that. One expert states that the language is intentionally complex. They use terms that are ambiguous, allowing them to interpret the policy in their favor. It's a game of semantics, and they're the ones writing the rules. Next, they employ a strategy of delay and deny. They drag out the claims process as long as they can, hoping you'll get frustrated and give up. They request endless documentation, often asking for the same information multiple times. This is also intentional, and the tactic here is to frustrate you. One former insurance adjuster claims, "We were under pressure to keep costs down." Denying claims, even legitimate ones, was seen as a way to meet our targets. The longer we delay, the better the chances the claimant would just go away. And if you do manage to persevere, they have another tactic, lowballing. They offer a settlement far below what your claim is actually worth, hoping you'll accept it out of desperation. Consumer advocates agree that they know already in a vulnerable position. They're betting that you don't have the resources or the energy to fight them in a long, drawn-out legal proceeding. And that's the final piece of the puzzle, the power imbalance. Insurance companies have vast resources and teams of lawyers. For most individuals, taking on a giant corporation is a daunting and expensive prospect. So, how do they get away with it? A combination of complex policies, delaying tactics, low-ball offers, and the sheer power of their resources. It's a system designed to favor the insurance companies, not the policyholders. But we're not powerless. We need to educate ourselves, read our policies carefully, and fight back when our claims are unjustly denied. We need to demand greater transparency from the insurance industry and hold them accountable for their practices. Because insurance should be a safety net, not a trap.